Chest exercises do not burn chest fat. That's not opinion. That's physiology. You can do 1,000 push-ups. You can bench press every day. You can annihilate your chest with flies and still have soft, hanging man boobs because fat doesn't work the way you've been told. In this video, you're going to learn what actually works, why most men are attacking this problem the wrong way, and the exact training strategy that changes how your chest looks, even if you've been stuck with this for years. No hype, no lies, just reality. This is Inspire Velocity. First, we need to clear something up, because most guys don't even understand the problem they're trying to fix. What people call man boobs comes from two completely different sources. The first is pseudo-gynecomastia. That's fat stored in the chest. This can be fixed with the right training, nutrition, and strategy. The second is true gynecomastia. That's glandular tissue, not fat. And no exercise on Earth directly removes gland tissue. But here's what almost nobody tells you. Even if you have some level of gynecomastia, the right training can completely change how your chest looks. Flatter, firmer, more masculine, because chest shape matters more than chest fat alone. And most men unknowingly make the problem worse. Here's the biggest mistake that makes man boobs look heavier and more noticeable. Most guys hammer the lower chest, decline presses, deep push-ups, dips. That's a disaster. Plastic surgeons and posture specialists have noticed something critical. When you build the lower chest while fat is present, you push the tissue forward. It sticks out more. Your chest doesn't look tighter, it looks bulkier and heavier. The real solution is the upper chest. When the muscle along the collarbone develops, it creates a natural lifting effect. Everything gets pulled upward and tighter. Your chest looks flatter almost immediately, even before major fat loss. That's the strategy behind this workout. But there's another truth you need to understand. Chest fat doesn't disappear with chest exercises because you cannot spot reduce fat. Fat loss is systemic. When your body burns fat, it comes off everywhere, not just where you're training. So, how do we attack this intelligently? With compound movements. Exercises that activate large amounts of muscle at once. The more muscle you activate, the more calories you burn. Not just during the workout, but for up to 48 hours after. And for men dealing with chest fat, this matters even more because of hormones. Fat tissue contains an enzyme called aromatase. Aromatase converts testosterone into estrogen. More fat means lower testosterone, higher estrogen, and higher estrogen tells your body to store more fat in the chest. It becomes a loop. That's why the right exercises must do three things: build the upper chest, activate large muscle groups, increase testosterone while driving fat loss. Now let's get into the workout. Exercise 1. Incline dumbbell press. This is your primary upper chest builder. And no, 45 degrees is not correct. That turns it into a shoulder press. The bench angle should be around 30 degrees. EMG studies show this angle hits the upper chest far more effectively. Dumbbells matter here because of range of motion. You can stretch deeper and squeeze harder. Set up with feet flat, dumbbells at shoulder height, palms forward. Pull your shoulder blades back and down like you're pinching a pencil between them. Press the dumbbells up, bringing them slightly together at the top. Lower for a full 2 seconds. Feel the stretch across your upper chest. Then press with control. No bouncing, no ego lifting. 4 sets of 8 to 10 reps. Rest 90 seconds. If the last 2 reps aren't hard, the weight is too light. Exercise 2. Barbell deadlift. This is not a chest exercise, and that's exactly why it works. Deadlifts activate more muscle than almost any movement on Earth: legs, back, core, grip, and most importantly, hormones. Heavy compound lifts can spike testosterone by over 30% within minutes. Remember the problem? Chest fat converts testosterone into estrogen. Deadlifts attack that issue at the root. Feet hip-width apart. Bar over mid-foot. Grip just outside your legs. Chest up, back flat. Core braced. Drive through your heels and stand tall. Bar stays close the entire time. No jerking, no rounding. 3 sets of 5 to 7 reps. Rest 2 to 3 minutes. If you're new, start light. Perfect form comes first. Exercise 3. Low to high cable crossover. Upper chest fibers run diagonally, not straight. Cables allow resistance in that exact line. Set the handles low. Step forward. Pull upward and inward toward your upper chest. At the top, squeeze hard for 1 full second. Lower slowly and control the stretch. 3 sets of 15 to 20 reps. Rest 60 seconds. If you don't feel your upper chest burning, the weight is too heavy. Exercise 4. Face pulls. Posture can make man boobs look worse instantly. Rounded shoulders drag your chest downward. Face pulls fix that. Set the cable at upper chest height. Pull the rope toward your face and split it apart. Squeeze your shoulder blades together. Hold for 1 second. Lower with control. 4 sets of 15 to 20 reps. This doesn't just build muscle, it makes your chest look firmer immediately. How often should you do this workout? 2 times per week minimum. 3 if recovery is good. Always allow at least 48 hours between sessions. More is not better. Smarter is better. 2 rules you cannot ignore. Rule 1, you must be in a calorie deficit, 300 to 500 calories per day. Otherwise, you're just building muscle under fat. Rule 2, you must progress every week. More reps, more control, more weight. No progression means no change. Man boobs are not a curse. They're a strategy problem. Fix the shape, fix the hormones, fix the posture. Commit to this for 12 weeks. Take a before photo today. When you take the after photo, you won't recognize your chest. This is Inspire Velocity. Train smarter. Build shape, not excuses.